Hello everybody. Wish you all a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. I pray to Lord Ganesh so that he takes care of all of us in this particular challenging time. It's time to move on to the weekend review of Nifty and other stocks. For disclaimer, please refer to my website chartvideo.com/disclaimer. The last 3 days, that means Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, Nifty did not perform satisfactorily, rather stayed in a very limited trading range. Finally, Nifty closed at 11,371, which was around 59 points gain from the previous day, and on a weekly basis, the gain was around 193 odd points. Let us see where we are headed in this particular week. The intermediate term trend continues to remain up and will turn down if this particular level is violated by close. This is 11,178. Only time can say whether this particular level is pushed up to 11,312. If we have updates from here, then obviously this automatically gets pushed up. If we have one down day and Nifty moves below 11,312, even then, given the swings of the previous periods, I would like to wait for this particular level to be violated. And in case if it moves up, obviously the level changes to 11,312. Let's see where Nifty is headed for the coming week. On the upside, gap is at 11,384 to 11,536. We are trading just below it, so obviously next thrust should take Nifty beyond this particular area, then only we will be seeing some momentum in the market. On the lower side, small multiple tops can be seen at around the levels of 11,300, which can be taken as a support. The RSI continues to hover above the equilibrium line. Currently, it is placed at 62 odd level, though some signs of divergences are visible in RSI. As of now, there is nothing to worry of in a major way. The 60-minute chart of Nifty is providing us quite necessary clue. Watch out, a clear-cut symmetrical triangle is being formed. Whichever way it breaks out, the next move will be clearly in that direction. Even if you fail to recognize the symmetrical triangle, right now you can say it this way: the RSI as of now has a lower range of 44 and a higher range of 60. Any penetration on any one side might give you a strong move. Coming to the open interest buildup in last few days in Nifty, what we observe is very light open interest buildup has taken place, sometimes 1%, sometimes 2%. So there is a slight increase in open interest, even though more or less we are in a trading market. Put call ratio currently at 1.55. Well, I would say it this way: it is somewhere stagnating with the lower side at 1.5 and the higher side at 1.665 odd levels. Right now, it is oscillating between these two zones. Well, what do you conclude from this? I would like to say it this way, I won't be taking any decision as of now. Rather, for me, Monday first hour will be quite crucial. I would like to see whether the RSI moves below the 44 line or moves above the 60 line. Presently, the moving averages are providing support. So, in case if it moves above 11,415 by the first 1 or 2 hours on Monday, we can expect the uptrend to continue. The Bank Nifty, which appeared bearish last week, did not fall and as of now is trading more or less in a flattish terrain. The indicator is also indicating the same. However, the indicator is just above the equilibrium line. Momentum in it will be seen if the indicator crosses the 55-56 odd levels. And on the price action, any move beyond 22,450 should give a strong upthrust to this index. Any close below 21,700 might bring in some worries for the bulls. In a bid to constantly increase my interaction with you, we will be discussing some stocks. In bull market कोई भी स्टॉक ले लीजिए वो तो ऊपर जाता है, तो इतना क्यों सिलेक्शन करना जरूरी है? Well, it is required because not a stock in which the trend remains up, however, sudden 4 or 5% fall comes up, which harms your portfolio. So let's see one by one. Bajaj Auto. Watch this place and this place. RSI had made a lower low, but the price did not. This is a signal of a advanced breakdown or positive divergence, whatever name you say it. Well, under such circumstances, you can expect the stock to move up. Obviously, stop loss will be somewhere below this particular low, which is 29.76. Grasim Industries. The stock is moving up. It is in an uptrend. What interests me here is the plus DMI is about to cross the opposite peak. If it does successfully, we can expect upside move in coming days. Remember, these recommendations are on positional basis and not a day trading stock. Federal Bank. An upside breakout has taken place in the RSI and it has also crossed the opposite peak in plus DI. This stock can be bought with a very short term target of 58.60. The stock may even test the gap area of 69. Well, I would like to tell you there are lots and lots of things to study in RSI and ADX. Our website chartvideo.com has got a beautiful course for you as RSI Vantage. It covers all aspects of RSI, and another video of Power ADX which takes care of all the characteristics of ADX plus DI and minus DI. Do enroll and enrich yourself. Here is another stock, HDFC Bank. Well, some corrections in the stock can come up, which would be a very good place to enter. And on the upside, the target can be around 1150 odd. Well, certainly a positional call. Well, जाते जाते एक बार ये चार स्टॉक को आवरली बेसिस पर एक बार देख लिया जाए. This is Federal Bank. ADX is moving upwards. RSI is quite healthy and the uptrend can be expected to continue. This is Federal Bank on hourly chart. Bajaj Auto. Somewhere down the line, the momentum here has been arrested in the very short run. I would suggest it this way for very short term traders. Wait for it to move above 3086 and then enter the trade. Graphene appears heated. I would suggest it this way. Wait for it and then enter. Do not rush into it. HDFC Bank, well, the RSI has entered the overbought territory in 60-minute chart. Slight dip, as I was suggesting, would be a very good place to enter. Right now it is at 1185 odd levels. Entry would be very good at around the 1072-75 levels. Since money is yours, money management also has to be yours. Please have a detailed look at the charts and then take a trading decision. Well, so much so for the time being. We shall again meet next week. Bye and thanks for watching.